Just imagine a spacecraft that can mend itself while in space. This is not some sci-fi fantasy, but an achievable reality with AI-powered materials. They are designed to respond to damage by healing themselves, much like a living organism. This could drastically reduce the need for manual repairs and maintenance, a significant advantage in the harsh and unpredictable conditions of space. Another key feature of AI-powered materials is their capacity to adapt to changing conditions. Space is an environment of extremes: extreme temperatures, extreme radiation, and extreme vacuum. Traditional materials might crack under this pressure, but not AI-powered materials. They can adjust their properties in real time to withstand these extreme conditions, enhancing the durability and longevity of spacecraft. And the potential benefits for space exploration are immense. Longer mission durations? Check. Increased safety for astronauts? Check. AI-powered materials could revolutionize the way we explore the cosmos, enabling us to venture further into the unknown and stay there longer. But of course, every silver lining has a cloud. The development and application of AI-powered materials come with their own set of challenges. First, they require advanced computing power. We're talking about complex algorithms that can predict and respond to a multitude of scenarios. This level of sophistication demands cutting-edge technology and significant resources. Second, testing these materials in real-world conditions is difficult. Simulating the extreme environment of space on Earth is no easy task. We need innovative testing methods and facilities to ensure these materials can withstand the rigors of space travel. Despite these challenges, AI-powered materials hold immense potential for the future of space exploration, and that future might be closer than we think. So, buckle up, space enthusiasts. The future of space travel is not light years away, it's right around the corner thanks to AI-powered